Diamond S Shipping. They have 15 Suezmax tankers, and this is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So let's see what they did here. 2020. Yeah, they definitely smashed that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so they dove on the dead cat. They said no, thank you to the crash, and then they did a pretty major slingshot move on the second half of the bull trap. So they got a little up, a little bit up on the dead cat, and a little bit of volatility, and didn't really want to fall down in the crash, and then they got a huge slingshot, and they've already started reversing pretty heavily. So Diamond S Shipping, they have 15 Suezmax tankers, and they have 50 product tankers, which don't do the crude oil storage. So most of their tankers are not crude oil storage, but they've responded pretty well here, and they're a slight long. This isn't one of the big longs, like oil specific long companies, but they are interesting, and they've done really well with that small percentage of their fleet being actual oil tankers. And they don't have any of the VLCC, like the very large tankers. They're all the Suezmax kind of medium ships and the medium range product ships. So DSSI, Diamond S Shipping Incorporated. Yeah, yeah, I'm not super interested in these guys, even with this big move here, just because there's so many shipping options. If you go watch my videos, you'll see I've done like 15 oil tanker companies, and this is hardly an this is hardly it's definitely an oil tanker company, but most of their ships are product ships. So this is not like a crude oil storage company, which is what I've been hunting around trying to find really good crude oil storage companies. So if you subscribe to the channel, you'll get and go to the playlist that is the stock picks. I don't have a playlist just for oil because I'm just doing a bunch of oil this week. But if you just do the stock picks playlist, you'll see these kind of videos. And I'll do a recap of the oil companies and everything soon. But I'm just trying to dig up all these companies and see what their balance sheets look like and what their fleets look like and where they are. And yeah, these guys are flying Liberia, Hong Kong, and um, what was the other flag they had? I can't remember. Monaco or something like that. Yeah, they're just kind of all over the place. But it looks like they do a lot of operations in China, and that, I mean, maybe the China rebounding is good for them too, but this isn't one of the oil storage plays, really. I mean, they're definitely benefiting from that, but it's not targeting that specifically. So this is not investment advice. Please hit the like button and happy trading.